Alrighty, traders, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and welcome to the show today. We are actually started a little bit late because we, for some reason, struggling with internet connection at the moment right now. I don't know if it's the connection with regards to YouTube or it's actually the internet connection. I'm not sure, but welcome to the show. This is the Pip Grabber Show. Here in the Pip Grabber Show, we look for trade opportunities that are 20 pips, and that is it. Just 20 pip grabs. That's what we're looking for. And so we're going to go into the details and take a look and see what's going on right here. See if we have a trade opportunity. But remember, traders, something I have to also remind everyone of is that we do have below inside the description, we have a lot of details in the description that you can go ahead and review. It's stuff around the Pip Grabber Tool, stuff around the trade copier, a whole bunch of things that we have that are available down in the description, so we can go ahead and check that out. I want to make sure that we are broadcasting and we've got our connection coming through loud and clear. I want to go ahead and see. I think we're having a little bit of issues at the moment right now. Let me just double check on this right here. I do apologize for the technical issues. Good, Jax is ready to make some pips. Fantastic. Are we ready to rock and roll though? Is the sound and video coming through loud and clear? If you can go ahead and let me know. Type up in the chat where the sound and video is coming through loud and clear. To me, it looks like it's coming through a little bit choppy. Yeah, I thought so. Glenny, Glenda says choppy. Hopefully it gets better. Okay, let's hope it gets better and it doesn't stay as choppy as what it is. It seems to be coming through loud and clear right now. So while we're on a good run, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the marketplace as we look for these trading opportunities. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we can pull out from a trade opportunity point of view. A reminder for everyone, please go ahead and smash the like button. We'd like to get this video out to as many people as possible, but also at the same time, I would also like to make sure that we are getting more subscribers to the channel as well. So let's go ahead and see if we can get more subscribers to the channel. I'd like to get to over that 5,000 mark. We started this very early this year with a very smaller range of videos, but we certainly are looking at branching out and getting a lot more videos added to this. We just got to go ahead and make sure we got it all put together. So we're definitely working on a couple of good options. So I want to go ahead and let everyone know that we are definitely working on making sure that this channel becomes bigger and bigger and better as we move forward. Now, with that being said, traders, let's jump into, like I said, let's go ahead and jump into some opportunities here. As I dig into the charts, let's go ahead and show the charts. And let's see here. Where am I at? All right, there we go. Okay, so digging into the charts, looking for the opportunities that are setting up right here. Let's take a look and see what we have for a pip opportunity. Sorry, once again, I'm looking at the. It's very, very slow at the moment right now. I do apologize once again. Very slow. It looks like it on the audio. Sorry, on the graphic side here. All right, so let's jump into some trade opportunities. I'm going to go into leave the 4 open over here. Traders, what I noticed here on the Aussie CAD right here is that we did have a wave 1, 2, and 3. We haven't quite got to the 1.27 yet. And so if I look over here, there's still a little bit of movement, probably around about 30 pips before we actually hit this target over here at the top. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a look over here and see what we have. And you can see my mouse is starting to swirl a little bit right here. And that is letting me know that the audio or the connection is not coming through very loud and clear. Again, I do apologize for this connection. It looks like it is not a good day to broadcast. for some reason it's not a good day to broadcast. So once again, I do apologize for the outcome of this video. It does seem like it's slowing down every now and then. For me, it certainly is. All right, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and sell the Aussie. Before I go ahead and sell, I want to take a look at the one last thing here. And let's take a look here. Yep, it's time to go ahead and sell. So Aussie CAD, we're going to go ahead and sell the Aussie CAD. I'm going to go into one of my trading accounts right here. I'm going to go to the Aussie CAD. And I'm going to open up the chart. Aussie CAD right here. And I want to go ahead and sell this at market. So I'm selling at market. I'm looking for a 20 pip grab on this trade right here. This is it right here. We're looking at 92.88 as a sell. And I'm looking for a 20 pip grab on that trade. All right. So I'm selling at 92.88. Looking for a 20 pip grab out of the Aussie CAD. So the Aussie CAD is the first trade on the list. Let's go take a look at the New Zealand CAD right here. New Zealand CAD looks good right now as well for a quick 20 pip grab. I'll tell you why. I am expecting price to come back down a little bit deeper, maybe even take out the fourth wave low right here, just because we are testing the high of the third wave. So I do like a sell on the New Zealand CAD. I'm going to go to the New Zealand CAD chart. And I'm going to go ahead and sell on the New Zealand CAD as well. There we go. So we're selling New Zealand CAD at price right now. So we're selling at market. Let me see if this pops up right here, and I'll tell you exactly what that price is. There it is. Price is going to be at 88.61. So 88.61, we're selling at 88.61. We've gone sold on the New Zealand CAD. Let's go to the next currency pair. Moving to these currency pairs pretty quickly. I'm going to give a skip on the US dollar CAD. Let me see here. I'm already long on New Zealand. Let me see here. Let me go to a lower time frame. Let me knock this down to a lower time frame. Yeah, US dollar CAD definitely looks like an opportunity that I'm already in. And we're looking for price to go ahead and chase after this high, at least this high right here. That gives me about a 22 pip rally from where price is at right now. Now, there could be some pullback. And you know what? The pullback could be 25 pips. So that means we may enter on a new trade. So I'm actually quite all right going in on US dollar CAD right here and taking on a buy right here. Looking for about a 20 pip grab on those too. So let me just make sure I've got my settings in here. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and buy US dollar CAD at market at 123.87. 123.87. If I go to the charts once again, I'm looking for price to take out that high. So that does give us about a 22, 23 pip rally. And the price may even go further than that, but at least we're going to get our 22 pip rally. Now, if we do see price moving back a little bit further, if we do see a little bit of a correction move, okay, that's not going to be that's going to be an opportunity to be able to enter on another trade. But I noticed that price would have to work its way all the way back down south to this level right here. And then only at that point will we be able to get in on another pullback for a rally. So if it does pull back and I get in on another entry point, I'm still going to consider that this pair is a little range bound and that the top right here is going to be a target for the upside. So I'm not concerned about that, and I'm going to keep my trade long on US dollar CAD. So definitely want to go ahead and keep this trade in. Let's go take a look at the Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar has been selling off over the last couple of hours, and if we look over here, let's take a look at the. Let me take a look here. We did take out the wave 4 right here. I don't believe I've got a trade in on that I'm focused in now on the euro. Oh, no, I actually am. I do have some actually on the Pip Grabber. Looks like we've got some buy trades on here. So let me take a look at the, let me see what the chart looks like here. So firstly, number one, we notice that there's a range here. And their price broke out of this range of approximately, looks like 44 pips. So 44 pips is the breakout target. And that is right about here. Okay, so we don't have too much. And then we should be expecting price to bounce back up again. So although the market's set up right here on it looks like it's selling off, there's going to be a bounce on this. And that bounce is going to look like something like this. Let me take a look at this inside swing too. Yeah, we could drop back down to this level. And that could be 15 pips. So from this point, how far can we go up before price? 37 pips right here. All right. So we could have a 37 pip rally. We could also have a drop back down here. So I'm going to go ahead and buy on euro. I'm going to go to the euro US dollar right here. And I'm going to go ahead and get in on this on a buy. So I'm going to be buying on euro US dollar. Looking for my 20 pip upside move on this. Let's take a look and see what we've got going in here. So New Zealand CAD, I'm in on New Zealand CAD short. I'm long on the euro US dollar long. I am currently, I'm in positions on the CAD Swiss already. And then I'm looking at Aussie CAD. I'm selling on Aussie CAD. And then US dollar, US dollar Canadian, I'm long on that. So there are 4 trades we've placed out today. Now, just so that you know, the trades that we had last, week. Let's go take a look over here. Let me go ahead and customize it to last week's. Let's see. That was the trade that we had on the euro US dollar. That's the only trade that was waiting to be paid off. We did go ahead and close out a profit on that trade. This was the euro US dollar right here. We closed out. We took our profit on that trade on the euro US dollar, and that was from last week's trade. So this week we've got 4 trades in. Once again, let me go ahead and repeat that so everyone's got this. Okay. So firstly, number one, we are long on euro US dollar for 20 pips. Remember, we're only chasing after 20 pips, and we will enter in increments of 25. So every time the market moves 25 pips against us, we're going to re-enter. We're long on euro US dollar. We are short on the New Zealand CAD. We are short currently right now. That's not a trade we put today, but I'm still short on the Canadian Swiss. I am short on the Aussie Canadian. And I am currently buying on US dollar CAD. So those are the trades that are set up right now. We're going to see how this plays off. Once again, remind the traders that the strategy we're using has a very good track record. In fact, if I go over here, take a look at the track record that we have currently right now that's running on the Pip Grabber Trading Strategy. And here it is right here. Let's go take a look if my internet can just pull the information up. Yep, this month alone, we're up 814 pips. So we're 814 pips up this month. Total for the month, we're up 6% for the month in returns. And we are 85% up for the year. Remember, we started off in January, and we are 85% positive for the month, for the year of 2021. So doing very well, and we are also 6% up on the month. Now, traders, if you're interested in the trade copier, trading tools, and all that good stuff, check out the description below. You can also get access to my social media as well. All of that is down in the description. Check it out, and go ahead and connect, because things are happening, and this is just the beginning. We've got some exciting things that we're going to go ahead and release. In fact, if you're interested in the Pip Grabber tool that I use, check out the description. There's a link that you can go ahead and sign up to be able to get information on the Pip Grabber tool if you are interested. This is the tool that I'm using here to enter the trades and to be able to manage the trades that I'm currently seeing. Now, Jack said, I believe it's Jack, says, could you repeat the CAD Swiss and the Aussie CAD direction? Yes. Aussie CAD, bearish. Swiss, the Canadian Swiss, bearish. So both of them are bearish, Jack. Both of them are bearish, and we trade them sell. Okay. All right. And that pretty much wraps up the session for today. I want to go ahead and thank everyone for joining us. Have a great trading day. We'll see everyone back again tomorrow. And I will be on time tomorrow. So make sure that you are ready to rock and roll at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. With that being said, my friends, happy trading and lots of profits.